Hello traders, we're here now to talk about Anchored VWAP, one of the main utilized indicators. VWAP is already one of the main indicators utilized by traders, but Anchored VWAP has become one of the main and hottest indicator available in the markets. Okay, so I'm gonna explain you a little bit. VWAP, it's the volume weighted average price, so you kind of understand exactly where the average trader is, because you're consolidating information of price movements plus volume, so you know exactly what's the average price of a trade, like of the average traders, right?
Hey trader, if you want to see more videos like this from trader to trader, click on the card up here.
So the idea here with the anchorage average price, you're pretty much gonna be able to select exactly when you're gonna anchor the indicators to be the initial point of the indicator. Okay, so let's say I want to use Anchored VWAP. It's right here, guys, and you pretty much have to select where you're gonna be adding this. So I'm gonna be adding exactly where the day begun right here, so you know exactly where it's gonna be used. So of course this is just an example, and you see that kind of respected right here, but you can even come back in time. Let's delete it and add this on a bigger time frame to see how it works. Let's say I want to use a 30 minutes VWAP, Anchored VWAP, considering the beginning of the month right here. So we have to pretty much select and add the feature exactly where you want, and you can lock it, and you're not able to move it if pretty much you click, because otherwise you could be able to drag and drop whatever you want on the chart, the initial beginning, right? So once you determine where you exactly want to use it, you just leave it there and you lock it. Okay, of course you can also check appearance, position, visibility by time, and that's not too many changes to be made, but pretty much can change colors, of course, and do the customization that you want. Okay, so this is pretty much how you set up Anchored VWAP on BlackArrow. Okay, until the next video, thank you.